Hi guys, welcome to Excel and Math Sci. So today we'll be looking at a question on a redox titration calculation. So we're presented with a question. There are two ion-electron equations, as you can see from here, shown for a redox reaction, and we are asked to work out the volume of 0.05 mole per liter of dichromate solution that would be required to react with 30 cubic centimeters of 0.25 mole per liter of sulphite ion solution. In order to do this type of question, the first step would be to balance the number of moles of electrons. We've got 6 moles of electrons here, we've got 2 moles of electrons here. So we require 6 moles on this side, so what we do, we multiply this one by 3. Now if we multiply this by 3, so what we do, so 3 times 1 would give me 3, so I need to place a 3 there. 3 times 1, so the coefficient 1 there, so that's 3 also. Same with this one, so that's 3. Now this one here, the 2H plus, now 2 times 3 would give me 6, and same with the electrons, and I have 6 mole of electrons. Now that I've got the 6 mole of electrons, so electrons are balanced, so the next step would be cancel out the electrons. So I would cancel both of these electrons on either side. Now I have 14H plus on this side, and I also have 6H plus on this side. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cancel the H plus and subtract 6 from this one, and that will be left with 8H plus on the left hand side. Then I have 3H2 on this side, 7H2 on this side. So I would cancel the 3H2 and I'll be left with 4H2 on this side. Now that everything has been cancelled out, I will add these both equations together and I'll get my final equation. Okay, now that I've got my final equation, the next step would be to work out the number of moles of sulphite ions. So the number of moles of sulphite will refer to this triangle, where it says number of moles is volume times concentration. So the sulphite ions, so that would be SO3 2 minus, so that's N is equal to V times C. Now the volume must be in liters, so we need to divide this by 1000 and multiply that by the concentration, which is 0.25 mole per liter. That would give me 0.0075 mole. Once I've got this, okay, so I've got my 0.075 mole of sulphite, I need to refer back to this equation and say, well, see in which ratio they combine in. So if I have 1 mole of this, I would require 3 moles of this. If I have 3 moles of this, I would require 1 mole. So in other words, if I have 0.0075 mole, that's what I have, I would require just 1/3 of this. So I would require only 0.0025 mole of the dichromate. So I just basically divide this by 3, and that's what I get. So the next step would be to work out, use this triangle and work out the volume. So volume is, so that would be V is equal to N over C. So the number of moles that I have is 0.0025 over, that would be the concentration. The concentration of the dichromate solution is 0.05. So we have 0.05, and that would give me, as my final answer, as 0.05 liters. And if I want to convert that into cubic centimeters, I just have to multiply this by 1000, and I would get 50 cubic centimeters. So that would be my final answer. Okay guys, I hope this helps, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you for watching.